Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, the trailer for Uthando Nesthembu season 8 has been out, guys. Now we know the first episode is supposed to air on the 22nd of January. Now guys, you know YouTube nama policies wabo which we can't post the video. So unfortunately the video's not here, but I'm sure some of you guys have seen it somewhere on these streets. But guys, part of the trailer we see ingati there's a makoti that's been welcomed kwaMseleku. We just see a number of women guys that are covered with blankets, and we see uMatsele chooses one of the women and she unfolds or she takes off the blankets off of the lady, and the lady kind of looks kind of young. They didn't show her full face, guys, because her face on purpose, of course. Now I don't know one thing about aboMseleku, guys. Like they'll not even aboMseleku, these trailers will show you what you think it is, Gandhi, it's not that. So for a minute I was just like, I indabala number 5 dala sizwa ayikho into enjalo. But then I listened to the wives commentaries, guys, on that trailer, and I'm like, hey bo, kusho ukuthi indabala wife number 5, guys, ikhona, and kusho ukuthi ugirl selafikile. Cause number 1, we hear uMatsele saying ukuthi, listen, yena, she is happy to welcome, she doesn't mind or she can't wait to meet wife number 5. Kusho ukuthi these commentaries were done way before the part where they were showing uMatsele choosing a woman. Who knows, this could even be uNokuzana, I don't know. Anyway, let's leave them. Yeah, so she says ukuthi she doesn't have a problem with wife number 5. One thing we must all know about the first wives, guys, they never the ones who make the most noise. I mean, she's accepted 3 other women into her husband's life. So why would she have a problem with wife number 5? She never actually had a problem with wife number 5. She had a problem with the fact that her and uMseleku had an agreement ukuthi uzovala indaba yomshado and taking wife number 5 after a certain number of their marriage year anniversary. I get number 2, uMayeni. We see uMayeni saying ukuthi ugeli akayoshada intanga yakhe ayekela amakhehla. I was just like, that means ukuthi ugel wife number 5, guys, ukuthi she's pretty young for uMayeni to say ukuthi ugel abayoshada intanga zakhe because uMseleku is umkhulu to her. So now I'm wondering ukuthi kusho ukuthi wife number 5 unangaki, guys. And one thing I've noticed about uMseleku, guys, is that before he takes a woman as a wife, in all of his wives, he's dated them a very long time. So if this girl is fairly young, how many years has he been dating her? Kusho ukuthi hayibo ugeli nakhona ke maybe she's mature ukuthi athathe ingane encane ayifake esithembini where there's 4 existing wives. Kusho ukuthi uMseleku uyabona ukuthi ugeli uzoyimela le ndaba. Next thing, number 3, uThobile uMakhumalo. I was surprised by her reaction because she was like, mina angeni down or wife number 5. Like, quite frankly, it's none of my business. I was surprised with Thobile, and I'm just like, how? Thobile is being that one wife that will support her husband in everything, guys. She's the one wife who knew her husband's girlfriends. So for her to say, would you in the wife number 5 ingeni, what's going on? Does she know wife number 5? Is she low-key, like, I don't want to even say jealous, because how do you become jealous of umuntu ongamazi? But what's the drama going on there? Because that's very unlike uThobile, because uThobile is a yes ma'am type of or yes sir type of wife. So I'm curious. And then number 5, uMbali, we all know ukuthi uMbali utheni, guys. uMbali was like, usho ukuthi makufika wife number 5 uzo-replace mina. And we just like, Mbals, we love you, Mbals. Mara, we've been hearing lesi story sokuthi uyahamba for seasons now, and you're still here. So angazi ukuthi ugeli if ngempela uyahamba or if she's just threatening, but at this point you can see ukuthi those threats are not working on uMseleku. So we will see, guys, what's what. Also, another thing, guys, I have a feeling that this season we're going to see a different side of uThobile. Because part of that trailer we see her saying ukuthi indaba yakho, inkinga yakho ukuthi the people who respect you awubaboni. And that's why abantu treat her so, and then she gets up and she walks off. That is unlike uThobile to walk off from her husband and leave him nje kanjalo etafuleni with the rest of the other wives. Kusho ukuthi she's tired, guys, of being idomet kalokhuzana kamseleku, because uGerly, hayibo, she's been serving this man's vision for years, guys. So maybe I said this even in the previous season that uThobile uzokhathala ngalento ayenzayo, because she continuously covers umseleku, wants to make sure everything kuhamba kahle. But does he have her back? I don't think so. Anyway, guys, let's park it here. Tell me, what do you think? Because the only person I think is going to surprise me this season is Ulokhuzana uThobile. Umatlele, I know she's going to be unbothered and be like, okay, let's roll with it. Umayeni, we know what Umayeni, guys. Umayeni, unog subtle, unogdelela nyana. There is subtle that I feel like a lot of people are afraid to speak about. I don't know if they're afraid to speak about it or they just dismiss it. But one thing about her, she will tell umusa where to get off. And then umbali umbali will never mind. But uThobile, I just feel she's going to be the girl of season 8. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.